Hey there, June 20th, 2026. I'm starting my washer dryer rental and sale business. As you can see, I just spent all day picking up old used washers and dryers. Don't have a lot of experience, but I own some rental units and I've repaired some of the washers and dryers and appliances there. So I work in IT, so I think I can figure this out. Yeah, I've been watching Brock Norton's YouTube channel. He has a great channel and it's criminally underwatched in my opinion. Originally I got this idea from the Kerner Corner with Kyler. It's a great podcast as well. That market seems really competitive, but my market's a little smaller, but zero competition. So yeah, I got my first install scheduled for Wednesday. Gotta clean up some of these. Gotta do some admin stuff like get insurance, set up payment portals. I'm gonna create a website this weekend, and I need to get some of these washers and dryers set up. I have another guy who just wants a dryer only. I'm getting one set up for him. I think there was another person who was waiting for their application to get approved, and their new place will need a washer and dryer. So hopefully that's going to be another one. I think my goal so far is going to be to place 3 rentals a week. I think by the end of the year, that should be close to $11,000 MRR. From the business world, I think that's pretty good. Though I do see Brock over there's, I think he's up to 14 or 15,000 in something like 9 months. So maybe I can catch up to him. That would be nice. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Peace.